My video guide is dedicated to help you get rid of the fake Chrome update notifications that derive from the website Operatestrongcompletelytheproduct.vip. Operatestrongcompletelytheproduct.vip is a dangerous and faulty website because it displays fake Chrome update notifications that try to encourage its visitors into downloading and installing certain unwanted browser extensions. These extensions, by the way, may hijack some crucial browser settings, such as the default homepage and default search engine, and other settings too. So, some of these extensions, by the way, may also operate as adware and display the great portion of ads not related to the sites that you visit. Therefore, you should be very careful and not to interact with all such fake Chrome update alerts. Just don't trust them. In case any third-party extensions were mistakenly installed, you should access the menu of your browser, go to More Tools, choose Extensions. Then you need to disable and delete any of such extensions if they are not familiar to you. To make sure that your computer is free of any other possibly hidden threats, I would recommend researching it with Combo Cleaner Antivirus, and you may get it on this official website combocleaner.com. So once again, the page to download Combo Cleaner Antivirus is combocleaner.com. After the program gets successfully downloaded and installed, you need to start the application and begin carefully researching your system with its help. Combo Cleaner, by the way, is available both for Windows and for Mac computers, and it will help you to fix your entire computer and to remove any malware from your system or your browser. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.